Hi everyone, welcome to your English 101 course. I'm your instructor, Miss Long, and this video is going to provide a brief introduction to the navigation for your course and your textbook.
Once you have navigated to your course in Blackboard, you will see the Getting Started page. This is where you can locate my information, the welcome letter, the syllabus, and various rubrics. You'll notice at the top of the screen that I am in the student preview, so this is exactly what it should look like for you. During the first day of class, make sure that you log in and review all of the information that is available to you. In addition, you can review the online course policies. If this is not your first online course with Limestone University, you may be familiar with these policies, but it's always a good idea to review them either way. Next, you will see the student guide for Proctorio. Proctorio is the proctoring service that Limestone University uses for online and extended campus classes. This program will be used for both the midterm and the final exam in this course. What you might notice for the instructor information is that for online courses, the university does ask for students to utilize the Messages function in Blackboard. You can locate that on the left side of the screen by scrolling down to Other Course Materials. Secondary contact information is my institutional email, which you can use at any time, though again, try to use the Messages function first. As you are reviewing the materials in the course, you will want to click on every single link and review as much information as you possibly can so that you have a good understanding not just of what the course is about, the course content, but also how to navigate the course. The next step is to click on the textbook link. This link will take you to the textbook page. The textbook for this course is an ebook. It is included in the course, which means that you do not have to purchase a printed textbook and you do not have to wait for that printed textbook to arrive in the mail. The first step is to review the How to Register link. This will teach you how to register for the Cengage program, which means that you can access your textbook. Ensure that your pop-up blocker is off when doing this. If you need information on how to turn off your pop-up blocker, click this link here entitled How to Stop Pop-up Blocker. Once you have connected your Cengage account to your Blackboard, you will be able to use the Click Here for eBook and MindTap link, which will allow you to open the textbook. Once you have opened the textbook, it will look something like this. To navigate the textbook, you can utilize the outline function, which you see here, or you can toggle to the calendar view, which you will see here. One note is that the calendar view is only going to contain the practice or graded activities for that week. To access readings, you should always use the outline view. For this textbook, you will find an introduction to each section. This is just a brief overview. The chapters are listed separately. To open a chapter or section, click the title. This will take you to the table of contents for that individual chapter. You can click any of these individual sections to review, or you can advance the pages of the textbook by using the arrow on the right side of the screen. As you review your textbook, you will notice that this textbook provides you with a lot of additional activities, questions, and content that can help reinforce your understanding of the content. This textbook also has lots of useful tools. The accessibility tools are at the top in the right corner. You can listen to the textbook, change the font size, bookmark individual pages, and you can print any page that you would like to read. Additionally, there is the ability to make notes or take notes in this textbook. To do this, you can highlight a portion of the text, use a color to highlight the text, conduct a search, add a note, read the text out loud, or create a flashcard. For individual quizzes, again, you can access them in the calendar or week view, or you can access them in the homework section. Assignments that are listed as count towards grade are assignments that do count towards your overall course grade. To open the individual assignments when you are ready to complete them, after you have read the reading that relates to this section, you will click on the title of the quiz. You can also access examples of student works. These will be student essays or student papers focused on different modes of writing and even MLA documentation. If you would like additional tutorials and miniature assessments in order to practice different concepts, You can find these in the Just-in-Time Plus section, and you can complete any of these that you would like. You will notice that the quizzes in this section are all listed as practice, meaning that they do not count towards your course grade. Navigating back to the course in Blackboard, you will also find a course outline. Each week is listed in the course outline. You will go through each week during the weeks of the term, and each week will contain different assignments or activities to complete in order to progress through the course. Let's look at week 1. You will notice that there are 2 different documents provided in this section. The first is an overview of the week itself. The second will be the first essay assignment. You will find a link to the first discussion board post and the Dropbox for the first essay's rough draft. When you are ready to submit drafts and final drafts of essays for grading or for review, you will click on the individual Dropbox link. You will select Browse My Computer, double-click to attach your document, and click Submit. Please ensure that you wait for the document to fully load into Blackboard before you close the browser, and please do not click the backspace or back button on your keyboard or computer. As you continue to review materials, you will also know that the other course materials section includes lots of helpful links. This includes the announcement section, the discussion board, a calendar, messages where you can send a message to me, a link to the online writing lab, other web links, and the location of your gradebook. You can use any of these links throughout the duration of the course in order to help you achieve success, to answer questions, or to find information that you need. If you have any questions about the navigation for the course, please send me a message as soon as possible.